In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see trading hours in NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll be able to view the trading session times defined in NinjaTrader 8, either globally through trading hours templates or directly from an individual instrument's properties. First, go to the Control Center. From here, click Tools, then click Trading Hours. The Trading Hours window opens and shows a list of predefined templates. Click a template once to highlight it. On the right, you'll see the session schedule for each day, including session, start and end times, and any intraday breaks. This is where you can quickly confirm when charts and orders will follow active sessions. If you need to adjust a template, select it and choose Edit to review the fields. Make careful, intentional changes only if you know the exact schedule you want. When you're done reviewing, close the window to return to the Control Center. Alternatively, to check the trading hours for a specific instrument, go back to Tools and click Instruments. In the Instruments window, use the search box at the top to find the instrument by name or symbol. When it appears in the list, select it and open its properties. In the Properties panel, look for the Trading Hours field. This shows which trading hours template the instrument is using. You're not changing anything here. You're simply confirming the assigned template so you know exactly which session times apply to that instrument. When you've checked it, you can close the Properties and the Instruments window. These predefined templates automatically update with session start and end times, so you don't need to manually adjust them for routine schedule changes. As long as the instrument points to the correct template, your charts and orders will follow the right sessions. At this point, you've seen where to view trading hours in NinjaTrader 8 from the Trading Hours templates and how to check the assigned trading hours for any specific instrument. Your setup is complete and the trading hours are now confirmed and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.